Welcome to Sumitomo Cryogenics. I'll be showing you around today. For your safety, please don't touch anything.
Not again.
Sumitomo Cryogenics is a leader in cooling solutions at very low temperatures in the MRI, semiconductor, and laboratory industries. We manufacture cold heads, compressors, and cryopumps. Cryogenics is the science of how materials perform at very low temperatures.
Our products cool helium gas down to its liquid state to reach temperatures as low as -450 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's one of the coldest liquids on Earth.
At these low temperatures, the atoms moving all around us almost completely stop.
Kind of like freezing time.
These space-like temperatures allow quantum computers to function, permit maglev trains to float above the tracks, and let us capture clearer images of outer space.
They use cryogenics everywhere. It's used in medical, pharmaceutical field, cell phones, the space programs.
If you ever have an MRI done, those are large magnets that are cooled in liquid helium.
You can't cool an MRI machine, you can't get a good, clear picture.
You hear this little thumping in the background. That's our cryo cooler doing its work.
We're on the cutting edge of the newest technologies. Some of the cryo coolers are to make chambers that appear that you're in space.
How do I get started?
There's so many careers. There's engineering, sales, accounting, all of the operation support. Anyone can be involved.
I went to MIT for university. I majored in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science. The work that they're doing here took what I was doing to a whole nother level. Having this invisible phenomena happening around me, it seems kind of like magic.
I have a Bachelor's of Science in Mechanical Engineering from Wilkes University. You also can go a more technical route.
My teachers helped me get my first HVAC job. I went to Bethlehem Tech. I took a bunch of machining courses. I just loved it, so I stayed with it.
One of the things that makes Sumitomo Cryogenics stand out is their investment into their employees.
They have a great program here that reimburses you for any schooling that you have done.
Sumitomo Cryogenics is a fantastic group of people who are all striving toward one common goal and helping each other along the way.
You get to work on tough problems, which you know have a big impact on society as a whole.
Who knew that there was such a literal take on what's so cool about manufacturing? See what I did there?